When your community chooses Bluestream Fiber, we make the transition to our fiber optic internet and entertainment services seamless, professional, and stress-free. On installation day, our expert technician arrives prepared to ensure every home is set up with precision and care. After a warm greeting, residents receive a welcome card featuring a QR code that links to our informative welcome video, giving them a visual overview of what to expect while the technician gets started on their installation. We start by checking the fiber connection outside the home, ensuring everything is functioning at optimal levels. We then test the connection inside the home to ensure there is a strong signal and suggest the best spot for the ONT. This will be located in a central location, typically a living room or home office. Our Wi-Fi pods create strong, reliable Wi-Fi coverage throughout the home. For larger homes, additional pods are seamlessly added to maintain peak performance. We don't just set up the internet. We connect the TiVo IP box and guide residents through channel navigation, remote control use, and setting up their network name and password. Before we leave, we ensure residents are fully comfortable using their new services, referring them back to the welcome card for additional resources and support if needed. When you choose Bluestream Fiber for your community, you're choosing reliable service, expert care, and a seamless experience for your residents. Learn more at bluestreamfiber.com/installation or contact us today and choose Bluestream Fiber for fast service and seamless installations your residents will thank you for.